On June 27, 2016, we have released a new version of HomeManage. It's called HomeManage 2017. If you bought a previous version of HomeManage, the 2015 edition or 2011, 2013, any earlier edition, you can upgrade for a reduced cost. It's only $14.95 for the download upgrade. So here are some of the new features. So let us go through the new additions we've added to HomeManage 2017. First of all, I'm going to click on the View tab here, and we've added several new sections. One of these is the All Locations as well as the All Categories. We'll click on All Locations first, and that just gives you a list of all the locations you've inventoried or added to the program. If you run a home inventory business and you inventory multiple locations, this is very convenient. Or if you own more than one house or perhaps a cottage in the country, it's also useful. And what you can do now is you can edit a location in a similar way to how you can edit an asset. So what I can do here now is just add a picture of the location. I have it already on the Windows clipboard, so I just paste it in. And you notice in the detail window I've previously added some notebook items, and what these are just renovation and maintenance items that apply to this particular location, so we can keep track of all the renovations we've done for a year, all the maintenance. Not only can you do it by location, you can also apply it to a particular room if you want to as well. And if you look down a little bit further, you're going to see 4 new sections here, and one of these is notebook items by type. And so what you can do is expand that. If you wanted to see all the renovations notebook items, you're just going to click there, and it's going to show you a description of all the renovations that you've input into the system, how much they cost, who did it, invoice number, all sorts of things. We've also improved the vehicle section, so you can add all your vehicles here, and you can see here all the assets that have been assigned to that vehicle. What I've done is added three items you would often find in a vehicle. So I've got a power cable jumper, which is also a battery supply, a Garmin Nuvi GPS, as well as a Garmin dash cam. And so what you can do is inventory the assets you have in a particular vehicle. It doesn't have to be a car, it can be a RV, even a boat or a trailer, something like that. In addition, we've added quite a few new reports that are related to the vehicles and locations. So down here we've got 3 new sections: Locations Report, Vehicles Report, Categories Report. And I'll show a report that is pretty useful: Vehicles with Assets, which is going to output all my vehicles with the assets that are inventoried in them in a subtable. So I'll just hit preview here, start, and as you can see here, it's got my 2003 Honda Pilot and all the assets that I've currently inventoried that are in that particular vehicle. In addition, when you're editing a vehicle, you can also add an attachment. So let's say you want to add a scan of an insurance policy or any other document that's related to that vehicle. You could just add it here, and you can do the same with locations and rooms now, as well as categories. We've also added a few new things. For example, some new reporting fields. There's a Get Num Fields reporting field, which makes it easier to create image-based reports, and we've gone through all our reports as well and improved them, so you'll see better looking reports from the reports that you were using previously. So that's a brief overview of our new improvements. Thank you very much for watching.